expert kitchen remodeling services in Genola, Utah. If you're in Genola, Utah, 84655, and looking for expert kitchen remodeling services, EagleRidge UT is your trusted choice. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, EagleRidge specializes in transforming kitchens to meet both style and functionality needs. Whether you're planning a full kitchen renovation or just want a fresh makeover, EagleRidge offers everything from custom designs to expert installations. Their team is committed to completing your project on time, within budget, and with the highest quality results. EagleRidge provides a wide range of kitchen remodeling services, including creating beautiful, functional spaces with modern trends, custom cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and lighting. They also offer new kitchen construction, kitchen expansions, and design services that cater to your unique preferences and lifestyle. For those interested in sustainable options, EagleRidge also offers eco-friendly remodeling choices, including energy-efficient appliances and materials, and can assist with aging-in-place modifications to ensure long-term comfort. The team handles everything from demolition and site cleanup to plumbing and electrical services, ensuring your kitchen is not only beautiful, but fully functional. Additionally, EagleRidge understands the importance of keeping everything within budget and offers free estimates and expert project management from start to finish, giving you peace of mind throughout the process. If you're ready to make your kitchen the heart of your home, reach out to EagleRidge for a free estimate and start your remodeling journey in Genola, Utah. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.